girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a get ready with me video. We got some new products that we're gonna be trying out. So I went ahead and already moisturized my face. I used the OG Elixir Hyaluronic Acid. So y'all can tell I love this hyaluronic acid. I'm almost done with it. And then on top of that, I use my Pharmacy Honey Halo. And this is the Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. When I tell y'all, I love this moisturizer so much. I'm almost done with it, which is insane because I feel like I just got it. I'm going with the Drunk Elephant. This is the Be Goldie Drops. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rare Beauty. This is their like eyebrow gel lamination. I really want to try out the Anastasia brows because one, it has a bigger tube. I don't know if it has more product than this Rare Beauty one, but I'm very interested in trying that one out. I'm gonna go in with my foundation next. And I'm using the House Labs foundation, and this is the shade C43, if I'm not mistaken. It just has a number on it. I know a lot of people are doing a lot of like underpainting and stuff. I do it sometimes, but. And then I'm using my Paw Paw sponge that I got from Amazon. And you can just see that Be Goldie is kind of shining through the foundation and making my skin just look really nice and glowy and hydrated. Power 28. I love this concealer and it's the shade CC. And here's the doe foot applicator. It's really good. I love a hydrating concealer. Next, I'm gonna go in with my LYS bronzing stick. This is the shade Harmony. I love the packaging. The shade is so pretty as well. I just love this contour bronzing stick. It's so good. This shade is so pretty and it blends out so easily. So if you're like a first timer, you know, into like bronzer contour sticks, I would definitely check this one out from LYS just because the blendability of this is just so effortless and just really easy to use. And the price point is like spot on. I paid $20 for this and yeah, I absolutely love this. I'm pretty sure, I think they have 5 shades if I'm not mistaken. Okay, next we're gonna try this blush. It's from e.l.f. It's the Camo Liquid Blush in Peach Perfect. I haven't even opened it yet, so. Packaging, really cute. And it was only for, I think it was for like $7 or $8. So, and I bought this at Target as well. A dot, and if we need more, we can always apply more, so. Okay, so definitely with a brush, you're gonna get more pigmentation, especially with Peach Perfect. If you use a sponge, it's definitely gonna absorb most of that color. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty, which I just purchased this. It's the Easy Bake in Peach Pie. So I'm super excited to use this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press that into there. You see it's definitely on my sponge or on my, what do you call this? On this little spongy thing or whatever. And I'm gonna tap the excess. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so here's the side with Peach Pie. When I get down lower, this is the side with Peach Pie and this is the side with no powder at all, just like my concealer, blush, and bronzer. That's a really pretty. Going with my Charlotte Tilbury, and this is a Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide palette in the shade Fair Medium. And I'm just gonna go in with the pinky blush. Okay, and then I'm gonna set everything before I put my mascara on. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm almost out of this one, but luckily I have a second one in there. I'm gonna bring everything back to life. Okay, I'm gonna go off of camera and do my lashes. I'm just gonna use the Rare Beauty mascara, and then I'm gonna put on a lip, and I'll tell you what lip I'm gonna be using. It's usually the same one I always use, so I will be back once everything settles in. So this is the final makeup look. I love everything that I've used, so now I'm adding the Huda Peach Pie to my collection. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I did set my whole face with it, so I didn't see anything weird with setting my whole face and stuff. It didn't like, I don't know, I really like the color. I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. And I know I've only seen a lot of people just use it for the under eyes, but I honestly I put it everywhere. And I think it looks fine. I think it looks really good. Let me know in the comments what you think. I've added the e.l.f. Camo Blush. There was a learning curve with that because I thought that color was gonna come off really strong, because from what the other colors that I've seen, that they're just super pigmented. But if you use a brush, it's gonna have that pigment, and you wanna use a little bit when you use a brush. Now, if you're using a beauty blender with only Peach Perfect, I can't speak for the other shades because they are more of a brighter pink. So with Peach Perfect, if you use a blender, a sponge, it's gonna kind of absorb more of that. So I wasn't getting the payoff that I wanted, so I switched over to a brush. The other thing I wish with my skin is, since I was using that ordinary salicylic acid, what I'm gonna have to do is go in with an exfoliator, because I do have some like dead skin. I know it sounds gross, but my skin has reacted to that. So I'm gonna have to go in and do a good exfoliator and stuff. That way I don't have like the little balls. So if you get that on your skin, just look at the products that you're using. If you notice to see like little balls, I don't know how to explain it. They peel off your skin. So sometimes it can be because you use two products and they don't mesh well together just because of the ingredients. Or if you're using like a salicylic acid or something else, like maybe Paula's Choice, those are like all resurfacing for the skin. Your skin will react to it, and usually that one says you can either use it once a day or maybe once a week and stuff, depending on how your face like reacts to it and stuff. So now I'm gonna have to go back to maybe once a week, because it did make my forehead like pretty dry, and obviously my skin is peeling. But other than that, I know that's a lot to say. Other than that, I really like how everything came out. Yeah, I think it's really, really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments. Usually I'm not one to set my whole face. Y'all know I'm such a glowy girl, and I just like to have my glow on. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys enjoy? We'll for sure be doing more makeup videos with y'all, because I love makeup. I know I'm so like playing with doing like eyeshadow and stuff, but I still love playing in like trying new products and like adding stuff to my collection and seeing how they work for like my skin type. Yeah, I just like trying products out and then letting y'all know what I think about it. Do I love it? Seeing what y'all think about it if you've tried the products and stuff. So, but Peach Pie, I highly recommend that. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give a like, comment, and subscribe, girlies, and I will see you on the next video.